Say a Kuro Mu Te Sen. Na nkwasifo bi a wono ewo Mallam Atta Market kyeremu a said ye to order na ntwinam ne nam ahodo bi oton wo hono so no ama edwa no wodi a wonhye da nyamfa so sa ene ya wada ne senti ye de aprobo no akọ Mallam Atta dwom
globally nyama kosronti no say ye tono 4,000 then as say ne ko 5,000 6,000 7,000 and so ton abun say do be no ton as we wadwen say the old ton what koto taxes are passed to be shooting higher and your nyama no be kaw dem and this also be ton ade na wan serve customer ye na the be kwa share economy onya wadwen so be business serve customers ye nyama no so mo munya adwuma na bibia nko ye na wo ye wadwen say wo be sisi wo manfo na no mu didwa na en no de on do ba beton no obe fele bad don so awoton no na beneska na ama wa wo no hu ni say wo yes kan na wo sisi timamfo no enti no mo man tete de ba no so ne edwa wiasim afana nyina bibia akosoro enti no say pese ye economy ne ye moaboa ye ho okoto ade 20 cedi a odi 2 cedi account waton wati kakra me ba ne ntwe ba ko nam de ba ma ton amanasa nantwe ba ko na me de ba ma ton amanasa oba malata na obisa obi abeka mansama tro me meye na boarding e ma customer enya nam no ho omo ntimi nton mo de no ma na boarding omo ni customers nkasa yie omo nkasa yie nti customer ba na ne me kasa rofa obeja nam no akọ.
Oh, Kuro Mu no heading, to be frank. And yeah, we can't for a heading. It's of late, you know. It's a year Juma Papa answer. Who bet me? We got set to reach me now. It's a say yes, we are Juma Papa, and yeah, there be no what deficit. A ton and Chinam no. Scanny ho. It's a and yes, you may be go for to me talk to me, Frank. Go with me talk. It's a chop for the restaurant for now. You are slow. One to talk boneless, but in terms of Sikan go for talk £1 £1 out. About once a week,
now everything is difficult. You can see how things are running. Our economy is very bad. So the leaders should look everything and be it in correct control for us. Everything is high. It's not about politics. We are talking about that in terms of the economic. Everything is zigzag. Everything just spoil. Everything. The meat, everything has increased. So it's not about politics, everything. The government should look and then put everything in control. That's all.
Oh, in fact, things are not going on well. In fact, especially this time now, we're rainy season. So, bedroom this time now, Nachunam de Yentokra, because Ushe, your friend saying, Gansono, because of your friends, Omohoa, Omudibano. So, Omudi Omoneba Emma ye market no eba form because of the reason is Usha restaurant for any chop bars for what I say any beer bar for omo ton nam mai say omo koswa there's no wedding. There's no funerals. What I say?
Say dear, and ya one more what tongue, a shine one yama, and I say and Tadian Kwa and I press a tour at that one yama sono, a buying any nemum, see a dready 4 year ton nam year. One almost so hremu say a tour at that Nantrino Suntino, and a camubia, ama one mujano, egu, a sign say, a man and trinam £1 wire than Pani Senti at a forno Emma.